Greetings. I just wanted to send a message in this week 3 as we head towards the weekend and some really important steps in our process of creating a persuasive essay. And just share a few personal notes. We had the first day of spring, and here in South Florida, it's a little bit chilly, but it's been really kind of lovely to not have that sweltering heat. So for those of you up in the north, I'm sorry about that big storm, and although having grown up in upstate New York with lots of snow, I kind of miss it a little bit. But just quickly, a few words about the two big items on the table for week 3. First, the annotated sources. 3 sources. They need to come from the opposing database, the opposing viewpoints database out of the Shapiro Library. One of the 3 can be more general from the internet, but they really should come from the library. Be sure to, evaluate them carefully. Give us a fairly good snapshot of why they're reliable. Use that CREP test. Are they current? Is the author an authority? Why is that person writing about this? And how does this article relate to your topic? So be thorough, be careful, and choose 3 and give all of the source information. So that's a big step forward in your research. Second part of the project, second part of this week is the writing plan, which, yes, it has the same questions as the writing notes. But if you've been given feedback from me on those writing notes that need some improvement, then here's your opportunity to do so. If your topic, and most of you had fallen on good topics and chosen on some, it takes a little longer. We all don't do things at the same speed. So if your topic isn't where you want it to be right now, don't stress, don't suffer. It'll get there. Just have a little faith. But now is the time to kind of push ahead and try and get it there. So, if you're having problems with your topic still at this time, and you hear this video, call me. We'll talk about it. We'll find it. We'll sort it out for you. In the writing plan, you're answering the same questions, maybe with a little more depth, hopefully, with a little more care. And then there's a few extra questions in that mix, and they talk about revision and feedback, and those are very closely related. But give us an idea of what your revision process is. And it shouldn't just rely on feedback, right? There's other methods and tactics in revision, including, stepping away and taking a break, reading parts of it, having someone else read it. All those things are good. So attack those 2 projects. Feel confident. If you need help, give me a holler. I just like to stay in touch every week. So do well, and I'll be looking forward to reading all your work, and see you next week. Take care.